disappointing evening in the end for us there. They were straight at us from the start. Do you reckon that affected our game at the beginning?
The start was really poor. You can't be 2-0 down. 2-0 down after 15-20 minutes, I think it was. 1-0 down after 2 minutes from the first corner. So I thought we started the game very flat across the whole team really, and that continued. So we had a 10-minute spell just before the sending off where we were a little bit better. But other than that, we created nothing.
We struggled. Obviously, the first corner, we failed to clear it, and there was some goals in the second half that come from set pieces.
Yeah, all the goals were disappointing, obviously, and I thought we could have done defended as a team better.
Yeah.
And when the balls come in the box, and the second phase as well. That's something that we know that they were going to do. So we planned for that. So to concede like that is, like I say, very disappointing.
We lost Keegan as well to that sending off. I hate to say, but we probably did change the game.
Yeah, I mean, obviously you have to see it back and see whether he was outside the box or not. But I think the damage was done before that.
Yeah.
Obviously that doesn't help. A few injuries as well that don't help. So after 5 minutes, I think. So yeah, it's just a really flat start, and just said to them in there, you can't start key games like that and expect to get back in it.
Yeah.
You're playing against a quality team, and they've got a lot of know-how, and it's just a really frustrating, disappointing.
What did you say to them at half time?
I think with the situation we were in, it was just try to stay in it as much as you can, and then to be fair to them, I thought they did. It potentially could have been more. So to end up, I don't think it was but two disappointing goals. Young Harry's done well. Come on, really good save, and they protected him as much as they could, and they just kept the ball and saw the game out as you would. And like I say, it was just frustrating, and we weren't at our best tonight.
We look at leaders on the pitch in them situations, and I thought young Josh Stevenson stepped up.
Yeah, it's just a difficult situation, and you look for character from everybody. And I thought second half we had that, but yet we still conceded 3 goals. So it's one of them. But Josh did okay, and he is a leader, and he's getting more vocal. So that's pleasing from our point of view.
Is it going to be hard to pick them up from this?
I think it's just key that we get in training next week, and we got Within on Friday, so it's just preparing for that and seeing who's fit and available. Got a couple of injuries today, so we'll have to just assess that, and we're meeting the week and speak about it. It's raw at the moment, and everyone's hurting in there, and we just have to galvanise ourselves. Still got to play everyone again, and then we'll see what happens.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.